Hello, welcome to Diving and Dogs. I'm Terry. This morning we've been diving Toya Pakeh. Now Toya Pakeh is on the north coast of Penida. It's the capital, it's where the boats come in, the ferries come in. This happens to be one of my favourite dive sites. I hope you enjoy the video I took this morning. Bye for now.
Set for adventure, let the good vibes flow. Step on board, barefoot in the sand. Ocean's calling, it's time to expand. Crew is smiling, setting up the ride. Waves are dancing, rolling with the tide. It's a great way to spend your time. Diving with family and friends, feeling fine. Sea breeze, warm waters, colors so bright. Corals alive, marine life's in sight. Check the straps, listen close, dive reef in the mat. Breath is steady, mind is clear.
Good morning, officer.
Time to drop in, meet the deep blue sea. It's a great way to spend your time. Diving with family and friends, feeling fine. Sea breeze, warm waters, colors so bright. Corals alive, marine life's in sight.
Okay. Hello, my darlings. How are you? Here we are in Lombongin again. There's Penida over there, and we're going. Terry is just trying to squeeze Fat Dave into his 25-year wetsuit with a fart. Nice.
Over there in Nusa Penida, there's the village called Toya Pakeh Harbor, and we're gonna start the diving here, doing the back roll entry from the boat, same as before. The entry point is here below that tree. This is a beautiful dive site. The corals are really beautiful. You can spot a lot of the small things, so keep your eyes closed. And there is also an exit point of the dive when you get to that pontoon. So just take it as slowly as possible to maximize the time that you are enjoying the dive, because when you get there, you cannot go farther because of the current. So topography of the dive site here is a little bit shallow, and then there is a sloping reef that goes deeper. But most of the beautiful stuff that you can see is within 12 to 16 meters. Well, other than all the tropical fish here, you can see also like small nudibranchs, sometimes some octopus as well, some lobster, mantis shrimp as well, Morayeel, turtles, and let's see what we find down there. Any questions? Then enjoy the dive.